Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode. My name is Reese and I play for the Blizzard Buffalo.
The RCMP League is comprised of two teams, me and my good friend, CJ, against Mateo and Phoenix. And those two jabronis, they don't know what's coming to them.
I grew up in Winnipeg here as a Tier 1 basketball leader in middle school. Hedges, actually.
And we are gonna smash them. We're gonna smash their two balls like no tomorrow.
And I was a star of my team, and I'm gonna be bringing that this Wednesday or Thursday on RCMP League on ESPN. Now I got a move for Phoenix, and it's called the spin cycle. And I got a move for Mateo, and it's called the slam dunk. Just you guys wait. You guys will be terrified of our moves. Just you wait. Me and my videographer Zoe over here, we've been studying film for days and days. We know their weaknesses. We know what to do against them. Right, Zoe? Can you say anything against that?
Yes.
Yes? We do know what they're gonna do?
Yes.
Are we gonna win?
Yes.
Exactly. And I got 2 words for you. Blizzard Buffaloes! Blizzard Buffaloes! That's it.